Hi, I'm Abe from ZWM Philippines, one of the biggest distributors of Sany heavy machineries. We are here now at the World Trade Center, Manila to introduce the Sany Excavator. Behind me is the Sany Excavator model Sy215C with an operating weight of 21.9 tons and a bucket capacity of 0.93 cubic meters. It is equipped with a powerful and very economical Mitsubishi 4M50 engine, giving you 118 kilowatts of power. It has a new style of cabin with a wider vision for the operator. To request quotation, you can call or text to this number below. And don't forget to like our Facebook page, Instagram, and YouTube channel to learn more. We are ZWM, we are Sany, committed to be your best partner.